In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change URL on Squarespace. Changing a page's URL, also called the URL slug, helps keep your site organized, improves clarity for visitors, and can support your SEO. We'll update the slugs for 2 pages so you can see the full flow. Don't worry, we're keeping this straightforward, and I'll call out helpful tips along the way. One quick heads up, when you change a slug, old links to that page can break. After saving, plan to update any bookmarks or external links that point to the old address. This walkthrough changes page addresses, not your site's main domain. You're editing the part that comes after the slash, like yoursite.com, this part. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and heading to your account dashboard. From there, open your site's dashboard. You should see a button or link to go to your website editor. Select Go to Website to open the Site Management view. If you land on a panel with different sections on the left, choose Website to get to your site's main settings and content areas. Next, open Pages. This is where all your navigational and not linked pages live. We'll begin with the home page. Click Home to highlight it, then open its settings. Depending on your layout, this looks like a gear icon or a settings button next to the page name. Inside the settings, choose the General tab. Here you'll find fields for the page title and, importantly, the URL slug. Click into URL slug and enter homepage. Keep your slug short, descriptive, and lowercase. While slugs usually don't require spaces or special characters, using plain letters and, when needed, hyphens keeps things clean and readable. Short, predictable slugs also make it easier for visitors to recognize where they are on your site. If you're updating a slug on a page that's already live and linked from other places, make a note to check those links after you save. This change only affects the path to the page, not your overall domain name or hosting settings. Once you've typed the new slug, click back to General if needed to collapse the field, then choose Save. That applies the change to your homepage. Squarespace will update internal navigation automatically, but links you've shared elsewhere may still point to the old address, so remember to revisit them later. If your site is live, consider making these edits during low traffic times. Now let's repeat the process for another page so you can see it again. In Pages, select the Consultation page. Open its settings the same way as before, then go to the General tab. Locate the URL slug field, click into it, and replace the current value with /consultation page. Consistency is key. Keep the format simple and predictable across your site. Avoid changing slugs frequently. Each change creates a new address that search engines and visitors have to rediscover. When you're done, click Save to commit the new slug. Give it a moment to process. If you've embedded links to this page inside text blocks or buttons, most internal links will continue to work, but it's always a good practice to spot check a few important paths in your navigation or footer. To wrap up, head back to the home page in your Pages panel so you're ready for any additional edits. You've just changed the URLs for 2 pages through the website and Pages areas, using each page's settings, the General tab, and the URL slug field, and then saving your updates. That's the full flow you'll use across your site. Keep slugs short, descriptive, and consistent, and remember to review any external links that might need updating after a change.